Relatives of the 43 disappeared students of Ayotzinapa met with Mexico's Attorney General. Now, after the meeting, the parents of the missing students expressed a cautious optimism. With more now, we turn to our correspondent there in Mexico, Clayton Kahn.
Only blocks away from the Los Pinos presidential residence, the families of the 43 disappeared students begin to break down their once indefinite sit-in encampment after Mexican authorities agreed to form a new special unit to investigate the case that will have the participation of the independent experts from the Inter-American Commission on Human Rights.
For us, this is significant because we are now inaugurating a new stage in the investigation that leaves, that we could say, a good flavor for the relatives and a degree of hope that a new justice is on the horizon.
Yet the parents warn that this optimism for breaking new ground 14 months since police attacked and disappeared the youth is conditioned and that their public protests will not subside.
We are not happy nor satisfied. We parents of the 43 youth have said this before.
The news of formally launching new lines of investigation that will prioritize the search of the 43 students comes nearly a year since the former Attorney General essentially declared that the case was closed. The previous government hypothesis was later to be deemed scientifically impossible and now has been abandoned as part of the official investigation.
The teacher training students were deprived of their liberty, deprived of their lives, incinerated and tossed into the San Juan River. In that order, this is the historic truth of the events.
Although the parents are relieved that yet to be specified new investigative lines will be launched, they say they want to seek a legal route to formally charge and sanction former and currently acting officials that participated in the elaboration of the so-called historic truth investigation.
A person that lends themselves to this or invents such a declaration totally or without giving importance to the feeling of us parents or without caring for the lives of the youth should definitely be punished.
To guarantee further transparency in the new investigation as well as respect for the families of the victims, the authorities agreed to meet with the parents on a bi-weekly basis to brief them on advances. And the next step for the parents and their legal representatives is a meeting with Mexico's Interior Minister Miguel Ángel Osorio Chong on December 10th in the resort city of Acapulco in the state of Guerrero. Clayton Kahn, Telesur, Mexico City.